lagoon ready.
Good.
This morning.
Good morning. Oh, look who's feeling a lot better today. You? Breakfast. Look at him just chilling.
Eating banana. Okay.
We're at WAIMEA Valley now, and we're gonna check out the waterfalls. This is the only safe waterfalls that you can swim in Oahu. So we're just around North Shore. This would be a baby avatar tree. So it's $15 per person for admission to WAIMEA Valley. The hike is about less than a mile. It should take about 20 minutes. I really have to pee, but I don't want to pee on a sacred fern and upset the warriors. Apparently you can live here. Thumbs up if you're okay. Alright, we're approaching the waterfall now. I can hear it. Alright, I'm gonna come in with my camera. Say hello.
Every day on the water she soothes me. She soothes me. She soothes me. Where are you now?
Oh, I gotta get Dad. Alright, going down with Dad now. There you go. There you go. Alright. Go to the waterfall. You wanna go to the waterfall? No, we gotta stay here. You come in. It's not that.
From you, your face is so nice. Your body's so good. Your fire is cool.
Just finished swimming in the waterfalls. I highly recommend going to this waterfall if you are in Oahu. The water feels great.
Your feet is fat.
So I had to leave for the airport in about 25 minutes. So I decided to just spend the rest of my time out here and enjoy the peacefulness, the quiet of the water, and the sunset. It's beautiful out here. It's time to go. Got all my stuff ready. All packed, ready to roll. Hawaii, it's been real. Bye, Matthew.
Bye, Uncle. See, you know so ready.
Thank you. Bye. See ya. Have fun. Just got to the airport. Honolulu Airport, why don't you have Wi-Fi? 3.5 hours left on this flight. So I'm just gonna sign out here. So see you guys.